Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to today's video. Today we are working on my freaking daily driver that I neglect every day. As you can see, the Miata over there. Hey, zoom, nope, zoom. The Miata is chilling over there, all beautiful in the sunlight. She's pretty much ready for a drift event this weekend. I was gonna make a video about putting a hydro in it, but I can't find a fitting that I need, so we gotta order it, and that's gonna wait. So, in the meantime, we're working on my Honda, and what we're doing today is changing. Can you see it? My stock exhaust to probably the best sounding exhaust system you can buy for the 9th Gen Civics. It's a Red 9 Performance downpipe, high flow downpipe, with a full race catback exhaust. I used to have a Skunk 2 catless downpipe with a Skunk 2. No, not a Rev. Oh, what did I have? A CNT downpipe, a catless one with a Skunk 2 catback, and it was super loud. It was crazy loud. It was dumb loud. So, but I had to replace it to pass my emissions, and I just never put the exhaust back on. Ended up selling that one, sending those two, because I was gonna sell the car. But now I'm thinking of keeping it, and I had these two laying around, so we're gonna install them. Okay, first off to start, we're gonna get a sound clip of it. I already drove it today, so it's already warm. But we're gonna get a sound clip of it starting there, so you guys can get the idea of how it sounds already stock, you know. So let's get it set up like right here. There we go. Pretty quiet, right? But not for long. Let's go ahead and start this install by jacking it up, putting jack stands under it, and unbolting stuff. So, as you can see, we're underneath the car, right? Gets in the air, it's jacked up, all the good stuff. What we have to do, on the other hand, you can see, there's a bolt there. There's 4 on that connects this header to the actual engine. This is the bell mouth header that comes, stock with this type of engine. We got to remove that. There are 2 bolts here, one on the other side. And then this first cat is free to move. From here, then we gotta, take off the hanger, these 3 bolts right here, and then this part will come off. And then the rest is just pretty simple, just hangers. Let's see. Yeah, I would have to take this piece off here. Oh, my hoodie's getting stuck. And then just pop it out there, and then bada bing, bada boom. Easier said than done, right? So, let's get to removing all this nonsense that's underneath my car. Ta-da. So how's your day? Good? Good? Yeah, my day's okay. No, constantly searching for parts, fixing cars, doing stuff I shouldn't do. But you know what? Ain't gonna stop me. There's something in my eye. Try and get this nut out with the bulb. Oh, there we go. Goodbye. This is a brand new bushing. It's already ready. Everything's off. Check it out. Everything. The O2s came out super easy. Thankfully, both sides. So there they are. They came out super easy. Now it's time for the pieces de resistance. Let me magnetize these here. Check it out. Beautiful, beautiful pieces. So check it out. Let's get a little unboxing going. That's already unboxed. We got V-band. Love that. You see that? A slide-on bracket. New gasket. Frame for your license plate, which I won't use. Sticker, which I'll put on where all my stickers go. And then we got the exhaust. Oh. This is the cap pack. Full race. 3-inch. I think that's 3-inch. I think that's what I got. We got our stuff. Our little package of goodies. Nice little license plate bracket. New gaskets. Love that. A lanyard. And then, see, as you can see here, it's for 2016, 2015 Honda Civic Si. If you have an Si, why? Why would you do that? But yeah, put these on. This is the stuff that it comes with. There's bolts in here. And there's a sticker. Oh, it's not a sticker. They didn't send me a sticker. Wow. How are people supposed to know I have a Red 6 a Red 6 downpipe on if I don't have my sticker? What's up? Wow, I'm hurt. Do better, Red 6. Do better. Wow, really no sticker, guys. That's a shame. I'm sorry. I wanted to bring you good content, but no. The lack of stickers. It's sad. Let me get this out. But here we go. Here's the downpipe. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I'm touching it. I'm getting oil with it. Look. Wow. Great stuff. The defouler is already on. I don't know if I'll be able to put this on without taking some stuff off. It's a one-piece type thing. And it's a high flow cap. So ideally, I should pass the missions with it. But yeah, that's a problem for a future me. So let's get all this installed, starting with this bad boy. This was a mistake. How is this going too hot? all the way zoomed out. Wow. Now that we have the Rev 6 or RV6, whatever, the socket, don't worry about that, the downpipe installed, we can get to the cat back of it, and just continue the rest of the install. Practically done. Let me see. Should be no. Okay. Last but not least, we have the axle back. That's what it's called. It sucks working on jack stands on the ground. I barely fit with this thing on my stomach, or like just pulling it in. But we're almost done. Last piece. Everything is loose, or the cat back wides is loose in there because you know, to give adjustability to make sure everything fits fine and doesn't hit anything. Now we're just gonna install it, and then get a sound clip and a driving clip too. Here we are. Everything is nice and tight. Look at that. Wow. Big fan of the V-band, not gonna lie. I'm doing this little bead roll on the little rolling cart. Appreciate it. I'm running out of room. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Time to get us the start on. It's probably, hold on. Time to turn it on. It's probably cold, a little bit cold now, but we're gonna see how it sounds first start. Maybe a cold start. It's not that cold outside, so it might get warm very fast, but we're gonna find out. Damn it, I hit the rocks. And last but not least, wow! Can you guys see that? Full race exhaust, baby. Beautiful tip. Let's see how this bad boy sounds. Damn, I think it sounds pretty good, not gonna lie. I gotta check real quick to see if there's any leaks underneath it. It is cold, the engine's cold, so we'll let it warm up a little bit before we give it some revs, and we'll get a nice comparison. But I think it sounds pretty good, not gonna lie. Alright, cool. That's it. I think it sounds good. It's not as loud as my old exhaust, which is nice. I'm going to see how it is on the road, though, because it could be, the drone might be as bad, but it's a 2.5-inch Rev 6 downpipe, high flow cat downpipe, to a full race 3-inch catback. So, ideally, it should not be as loud as full 3-inch all the way. So, I'm going to clean up all this, and then we're going to give it a test drive and in-car footage and see how it goes. We're going on a quick test drive so we can hear the inside of the car. I don't have a camera on the outside for the exhaust, so unfortunately you won't be able to hear that. I also don't have someone outside to take a clip. So We're just gonna hear what it sounds like on the inside. And so far, I had to change the tune because it's a high flow cap, so it's a different, or compared to the stock cap which was on it. Honestly, it doesn't sound like the drone's gonna be bad in here. Honestly, yeah, it sounds pretty good in here. Doesn't sound like anything bad. We're gonna step on it real quick. It does sound, yeah, dude. It is not bad in here. If you're looking for like a good sounding exhaust combo, this is it. This is it right here. Because it does not sound that bad. It sounds good. Barely any drone. After we did a pull, it's not even that bad. Maybe if I can put up the volume. I'm gonna put down the window. See if I can hear it more. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It's not like overbearing like my old exhaust was. It's not like too loud. Like you turn around, you're like, oh, look at that fucking racer kid. No, dude, it's nice. It's a nice little tone. Definitely, I can see the hype behind everyone saying, oh, it's good. Like, it's not that loud. So maybe I'm just old now. I'm already halfway through my life. So, but no, it's good. 10 out of 10. Would recommend getting it if you have a 9th Gen Civic. If you're doing NA like I did, because I don't know if I can pass. I can probably pass the mission with the turbo, but I'm not trying to go through the hassle, right? Well, that's all for today's video. The car sounds good, like I said. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but would recommend. Would recommend if you're looking for an exhaust with not too loud of a pitch, not be to be annoying or anything. What I do? Yeah, I think it sounds really good, and yeah, that's all for today. Like I said, good car. Too bad I hate it. Next time, the Miata will get a hydro e-brake, inline e-brake inside. As you can see, I changed my harnesses for this season. Put a different shift knob. That's really it. Got a new wheel. The what's it called? The arms, pretty good. Rolled the fenders out. This one came out great. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. But yeah, gonna have that installed. Maybe record the drifting event with the boys, but we'll see. But anyways, that is all. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.